Alright, there's one question that has been bugging me for the past few days, and that is my interviews are almost done. I now have time, and is there something that I must prepare before joining my B school for my MBA? And if yes, is there any free resource that I can use immediately and start preparing for it? And frankly, the more I researched, the more I found that there's a lot of things. 6 things to be specific. And so I put together the ultimate pre-MBA upskilling kit. Now, this is a list of completely free resources that I compiled after going through 25 plus articles and videos online and talking to 15 IIM graduates over a span of 7 days. And this is the exact list that I am going to personally use to make me MBA ready. So if you are someone who thinks that you have procrastinated enough, you don't want to waste the next 3 to 4 days just researching on this, and you want to just start getting prepared for your MBA, then this video is for you. I got you covered. So as I said, there are 6 domains: Excel, PPT, finance, statistics, case solving, and AI. Got it? Now don't worry about remembering this. At the end of the video, I have a free tool for you at absolutely no cost, which I'm accessing right now. So you can simply use this whenever you start preparing. I've put a lot of effort into bringing this for you. So please like and subscribe. So let's get started. The first is Excel. Look, this is what IIM Graduates told me. Excel is one of the most powerful tools you'll use in B school. From financial modeling and data analysis to project management, it helps you work faster and smarter. Professors expect you to know functions like VLOOKUP, pivot tables, and basic macros. Strong Excel skills will give you the edge even in group projects, case interviews, etc. So you and me have to start practicing right about now. It will save us hours and hours of time later. And there are 2 absolutely free reputed resources for Excel. The first one is YouTube Trump Excel. So if you go to this channel, there is this one playlist, free Excel course basic to advanced. You have to click on view full playlist, and this is the playlist that you have to access. This is a beginners playlist, and you have to go through all those videos over here. There are 26 total videos, and they are completely easy made for beginners. This is just for us, and just go through videos one by one. You can skip the things that you already know. You watch through the things that you don't, and just get ahead. Once you go through this and you think that okay, you have reached a point where you are already at a decent level, then you can go through the second playlist, that is by Leila Gharani. It is a very reputed playlist watched by beginners again for some creativity. All right, so you can go through this as well. This is a fantastic playlist. And this is all you need for Excel. Now the second one is PowerPoint. Now PowerPoint is a must-have skill for any MBA student, really. Now whether it's pitching ideas, presenting case studies, or delivering reports, clear and compelling PowerPoints and slides make all the difference. Okay? Professors and recruiters expect crisp, visually appealing presentations with very minimal text and strong storytelling, which only comes with practice, if you know. In fact, the advice that I got from top IIM graduates was that it's better to also go through templates so you can understand how it really works in the industry. So here are the resources. First is watch this one video by Kevin Stratworth. He has created a video for beginners on PowerPoint. Go through it, okay? The next one is go through some PPT templates. So for example, if you go to Slides Go, there's a lot of templates of PPTs over here, and this will actually help you so much. Now, if you go to the second PPT templates site, here if you go, there are 221 plus free and downloadable consulting presentations. So here you can find exactly a lot of presentations which are being used in the real world. Actual professionals use this. So if you go through this, you'll get a clear idea of PPTs, and that's about PPT and its horizons. Now third, finance. Again, understanding finance is crucial even before you get into an MBA, okay? Engineers like me have never read about this, and we have to start studying because there are finance counterparts, commerce counterparts to us who are actually much ahead than all of us. And we don't even need to go into some advanced financial modeling. We can just start with the basics, that is the income statement, balance sheet, cash flow. These three statements help in analyzing business performance and making smart financial decisions. All right, so learn about these basics, because professors and recruiters will expect us to read and interpret them with confidence very early on. So if that is the case, and that is what's being told to me, we have to study it right now. Resources, there's a single YouTube playlist, accounting stuff. This is one playlist which has explained everything in a very easy manner for beginners. So this is what I'm going to watch. This is what you should watch. Actually, to be very honest, 9 out of 15 IIM graduates told me that they have watched this for their own basics. So I think this is a fantastic playlist. Now fourth, that is statistics. In statistics, concepts like mean, median, standard deviation, regression analysis help in making data-driven business decisions. From market research to financial modeling, stats is used everywhere in bschool. So what was told to me is that professors expect us to interpret data and analyze it and not just calculate numbers. So I think that will take a bit of practice as well, and that is something that we need to go through. All right, and for this all the articles, this is fantastic, all the articles online unanimously agreed on this one resource, which is this free course by IIM Ahmedabad. So if you go here, it's a Coursera course. If you go here, it's being made by IIM Ahmedabad faculties, and its name is Pre-MBA Statistics. So you can just enroll for free. It's auditable for free. The certificate, however, is paid. If you want the certificate, you can pay for it. But more importantly, just get the learning over here, all right? And just go through this. Also, remember, all these links will be provided later to you. So don't worry, just listen to me first. Now fifth, case solving. Case solving is at the heart of an MBA education. So it's all about analyzing real world business problems, identifying key issues, and recommending data-backed solutions. So frameworks like SWOT analysis, POTUS 5 forces, 4 P's of marketing, etc. help structure your thinking. Professors expect logical reasoning, critical reasoning. So, and I've been told that it takes a long time to actually master case solving. So we need to start preparing right away. What are the resources for this? This is one resource, which is YouTube channel Case Interview by Victor Cheng. There's a lot of videos that this professor has put forward. And I think these are all great videos for you and me. So we have to start preparing from here. And if you're a person who loves to read books, there's also this one book, Case in Point, which is really popular in the case interviews and the case solving world. You can also purchase that if you feel that you need that. And now finally sixth, which is AI. Now AI is a new assistant. Okay, so frankly, this is something that so many articles and MBA graduates have touched upon, but they could not point me to a particular resource, so I could not put it over here yet. But I thought that it's important, especially at the pace at which AI is growing. So just start preparing by playing around with tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude AI, etc. And then I think that should suffice for now. And finally, the big reveal, the big tool. I have compiled all of this and a bit more on a free live website, so which you can access anytime and anywhere and start using it for your preparation. And look, if there's any additional resources that come up, I'm going to update it on the site. I got you covered. So all you have to do is just use it. I've put the link down in the description. Just save the link with you, open it when you want to study, and use it for free. All the best as always to you. And I'm so excited for bschool. Let's study well. Namaskaram.